Welcome to Nightlife in Thailand, where we explore the vibrant bar scene in the land of smiles. Today, we're going to talk about why Pattaya is the ultimate destination for single men looking to experience the wildest and most exciting time in Thailand. In particular, we're taking a look at the city's legendary bar scene, with a focus on the famous bar girls who make it so unique. Grab a beer, sit back, relax and enjoy the best scenes of the recent Songkran Festival, where many of these beautiful bar girls celebrate and have a splashing good time during this unique water festival that only happens once a year. Be sure to stick till the end of the video for some interaction with two beautiful bar girls. Pattaya is well known for its bustling nightlife, with a wide variety of bars and clubs to suit every taste and preference. But for many visitors, the real attraction is the bar girls. These women are known for their outgoing personalities, and are a popular choice for those looking to experience the local culture. As compared to other nightlife destinations in Thailand such as Bangla Road in Patong, Phuket, the prices and rates here are much more affordable in terms of drinks, lady drinks, bar fines, and services. For visitors who are on a budget and would like to have an amazing experience for the best bang for your buck, Pattaya is the place for you. Many of the bar girls in Pattaya come from the northeastern region of Thailand, known as Isan. They often come to Pattaya to work in the bars and earn money to support their families back home. While some people may view this as exploitation, for many of these women, it's a way to support their loved ones and improve their standard of living. Despite the controversies surrounding bar girls, it's important to remember that they're not all the same. Some are simply looking to make a living, while others are genuinely interested in forming a connection with visitors. It's important to approach them with respect and an open mind, and to always be mindful of their boundaries and comfort levels. When it comes to the bars themselves, Pattaya has something for everyone. From laid-back beer bars to high-energy nightclubs, there's a bar for every taste and preference. One popular type of bar in Pattaya is the go-go bar, which features women dancing on stages, often in revealing clothing. While these bars can be controversial, they're also an important part of the nightlife scene in Pattaya, and many visitors enjoy watching the shows and interacting with the performers. For those looking for a more low-key experience, there are plenty of quieter bars and pubs to explore. Many of these bars are owned and operated by expats, giving them a unique international flair. Of course, no discussion of the bar scene in Pattaya would be complete without mentioning the famous walking street. This neon-lit street is the heart of the nightlife scene in Pattaya, featuring countless bars, clubs, and restaurants. But while Walking Street may be the most well-known area for nightlife in Pattaya, it's important to remember that there's much more to explore beyond this popular tourist destination. Soi 6 and Soi Buako are just two examples of areas with thriving bar scenes that are often overlooked by visitors. During the Songkran Festival, Pattaya's bars and bar girls come to life like never before. The festival is a celebration of the Thai New Year, and features water fights, street parties, and plenty of drinking and revelry. For visitors looking to experience the wildest and most exciting side of Pattaya's nightlife, Songkran is the perfect time to visit. In conclusion, Pattaya is the ultimate destination for single men looking to experience the wildest and most exciting bar scene in Thailand. From the friendly bar girls to the endless array of bars and nightclubs, there's something for everyone in this vibrant city. So if you're looking for a night out you'll never forget, head to Pattaya and explore the exciting world of its bars and nightlife. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.